everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today's video is on Western versus Eastern cat eye eyeliner. Depending on your eye shape, one style might suit you more than the other, so I'm going to show you both so you can compare and see which one you like more in this video. This video is also made in partnership with Moody lenses. Make sure to watch till the end to see some of my favorite colored contacts I've been wearing. So I am going to show you other contacts later, but I wanted to quickly mention the ones I'm currently wearing. You see gray contacts often in both the East and West, so I'm going with the Moody X-Line Friends, ᵒᵏᵎ Brown and Friends lenses. These have a really nice soft transition in the center to blend the contact colors in. Starting with the Western eye makeup, I'm going to begin drawing a pretty thick black wing. We're bringing this over the fold in my eyelids to get a more lifted eye look. Make sure the end is super sharp. Let's fill in the lash line and waterline. Next, I'm curling my lashes and applying mascara. Lower eye makeup is pretty simple. It's usually just one or two eyeshadow shades smoked out. I'm using the same neutral brown as a transition shade before going in with a darker eyeshadow on the outer corner. I'm next applying falsies that have a flared end to pull the eyes up even more. Finally, I'm applying mascara to my lower lashes, and that's it for the Western makeup. You can see the eyes look a lot more lifted, and most of the makeup is within this triangle shape, whereas in the East they have a more inverted triangle. I'll show you what I mean in a bit. On the Eastern makeup side, I'm going to start sketching out a new eye shape. I'm not bringing the wing above my double eyelid. This method saves a lot of eyelid space and ensures the wing won't get distorted when I look up. I'm using a brow tint pen to start making the wing. Brow pens are a lot thinner and more precise, so they help a lot with sketching out a thin wing. I'm next using a brown liquid liner to extend the wing past the end of my eye. Using a brow pencil, I'm going to sketch out a fake lower eyelid. Let's fill in the lash line and waterline. I'm going to elongate the eye even more with inner corner eyeliner. I'm next connecting the lower eyeliner to the wing. You'll notice using this mixture of liquid and pencil liner helps create a nice gradient and looks less harsh than using just liquid liner. Next, let's move on to under eye makeup. I'm contouring my lower eyelid, the area that pops out when you smile. I'm lightly adding dimension to my eyelids with eyeshadow. Next, let's curl our lashes and apply a burgundy mascara, which blends in with the brown liner better. Before the mascara dries down, I'm separating the lashes into sections as a guide for the falsies later. Let's also curl the lower lashes and apply mascara. To make our eyes even bigger, let's draw fake lower lashes extending past the eyeliner. Use a nude liner on the outer corner to match the new eye shape we created. You can use white for this too, but I personally find it too harsh, so I like using nude. The eye looks a lot wider now, but we lost some of the lower liner, so I'm going to reconnect the fake lower lash line to the wing. To get the popular separated manga lashes look, I'm gluing the tip of these Ardell individual lashes and squeezing them to create a spiky lash. Then I'm going to apply glue on the top side of the base of the lash and apply the lashes beneath my real lashes. I usually use around 5 lashes. You don't want to use too many because we want the lashes to look very separated and dolly. Finally, I'm going to highlight the under eye, and that's it for the Eastern side. Do you see how this eye has more of an inverted triangle shape? There's a lot of attention on the under eye makeup and contouring the eyes to look bigger on this side compared to the Western side, which focuses on lifting the eyes for a facelift effect. And finally, it's time for the contacts try-on. If you guys aren't familiar with Moody lenses, they offer affordable colored contacts with different designs, from natural to fun colors, which are made from the same material as AccuView lenses. Their thing is using lenses to express different moods and makeup looks, which is something I love doing to transform a look. Let's start with the lenses I chose for the Eastern style makeup. These are called Fairy, and they have the outer limbal ring, which outlines your iris to make your eyes look bigger. I love how natural the transition of the colors are. You can see there's a gradual fading of the contact color into your eye color. Another lens I love for this makeup look is Meteor Funk from the Cosmo Disco collection. Moody Lenses does different concepts for different collections, which I think is so cool and creative. These lenses are slightly enlarging and have really unique little sparkles. Moving on to the Western makeup, I think Ring of Blues complements this look really well. These are a grayish green color with subtle shimmer. Cayman Galactic also really suits this look. It very subtly adds highlights and a slight gradient to your eye. Both of these were also from the Cosmo Disco collection, which is probably my favorite out of all of their collections. You can check out their other unique designs and collections at my link in the description box below. And you can also use code JESSICAV40 off to get $40 off a $100 order. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know which eye makeup you like better. I personally really like both. I think it's really cool comparing how different regions develop different makeup techniques. Thank you again to Moody Lenses for partnering with me on this video. If you liked any of the colored contacts I wore today, I'll leave a link down below with my code, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!